Imagine waking up in a new city, enjoying the view, and knowing that your bank account is growing without you doing anything. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's possible. In this video, I'm sharing 5 simple ways to earn passive income online while you roam the world. Hey, fellow travelers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how you can make passive income while traveling the world. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more travel hacks and tips. Let's get into it. 1. YouTube monetization. Earn while you explore. First, YouTube monetization. If you love vlogging about your travel adventures, YouTube is a great way to earn passive income. Once you've built an audience, you can make money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Upload your content and let the income roll in while you roam. 2. Sell your photos and videos. If you're into photography, you can sell your travel photos and videos on stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock. Every time someone buys one of your images, you earn a commission. It's a great way to make money passively with something you're already doing while traveling. 3. Blogging. Make money from your travel experiences. Another amazing way to earn while traveling is blogging. If you love writing, start a blog where you can share your travel experiences, tips, and guides. You can monetize your blog through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Once your content is live, it continues to generate income while you're on the go. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is also a powerful tool. Promote products or services you love, whether it's travel gear, booking sites, or experiences, and earn commissions when people purchase through your affiliate links. Once you set it up, it's an effortless way to earn passive income. 5. Airbnb. Rent out your property. And lastly, if you have a property or even a spare room, you can rent it out on Airbnb. Whether you're on the road for a few weeks or a few months, you can earn money by renting your space. It's simple to manage everything remotely and still make income while you travel. And there you have it, 5 simple ways to earn passive income while traveling. From YouTube to blogging and renting your property, you can start earning money with minimal effort. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite passive income idea. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos for more travel tips and money-making ideas. Safe travels and keep earning.